Hello! Today, we are going to test the durability of some of Vena's most popular phone cases, including the vCommute wallet case, the MIL-STD, and the vLove. Let's see how they do. The vCommute wallet case is our flagship and most popular case. It combines functionality and protection. The hidden card slot securely stores IDs, debit credit cards, even transit cards. This case also features a foldable magnetic flap that protects your cards and cash, but it also doubles as a multi-position stand. This case is also compatible with magnetic car mounts. This awesome functionality is partnered with the best protection, thanks to the dual-layer polycarbonate and TPU construction and our patented CornerGuard technology. This case has been tested to meet military drop test standards. Now, let's put it to the test. I'm going to take this iPhone 12 and drop it 5 times from 6 feet on this hard concrete floor. As you can see, this phone is perfectly protected by the vCommute wallet case and fully functional without any damage. The vCommute wallet case offers excellent protection for your phone. The MIL-STD is our most stylish of cases. The various prints and designs make it one of the cutest cases in Vena's lineup. While being stylish, the MIL-STD maintains full functionality because it does not interfere with wireless charging or Apple Pay. The case also features raised bezels to protect your phone screen and camera from any unwanted scratches. Don't let all that flash and style fool you though. It is still a very protective case. This case also features our patented CornerGuard technology that ensures all 4 corners absorb and disperse impact from any accidental drops. Let's put that protection to the test. I will drop this phone from 6 feet 5 times on this hard concrete floor. As you can see, this phone is perfectly protected from the MIL-STD case and fully functional without any damage. The stylish MIL-STD offers outstanding protection. vLove is definitely the most beautiful and sparkly of the Vena lineup. It gets the name vLove because of the heart-shaped cutout on the back of the case, and it's right up there with MIL-STD as one of the cutest Vena phone case models. Don't be fooled by its beauty though. This case still provides amazing protection thanks to its dual-layer PC and TPU construction, as well as its raised bezel protection to keep your phone screen and camera safe from any unwanted scratches. vLove also features Vena's patented CornerGuard technology that ensures all 4 corners evenly absorb and disperse impact from any unexpected drops. Let's test it out by dropping it 5 times from 6 feet up. As you can see, this phone is perfectly protected by the vLove case and fully functional without any damage. Vena's phone cases pass the test with functionality and protection combined, and they're designed right here in Minnesota. From all of us at Vena, thanks for watching.